Y'all, I have had this braid out more than a week, and let me show you how. Okay, so boom. These scrunchies are your best friend. You want to make sure that you get the scrunchies that have no tag on them. So these are really smooth scrunchies, and they are not the ones that snag your hair, the ones that easily roll into your tight 4C curls is not the ones that you want to get. They should be soft and very flexible on your hair. Now, I section my hair into 3 parts, but you can section your hair into however many you feel. I feel like 3 is the golden number just because the way I like to wear my hair, off to the side, and I like a little bit of volume up front for my bangs. And pretty much this is it. You're going to see me put my hair into these ponytails. I sleep with them overnight. They don't mess up my curl pattern at all, and they actually stretch my hair a little bit more, so it gives me some good hang time. Now, I use a bonnet, but you can use a scarf if that's what you have. Just make sure that it's nice and loose. Okay, so this is me in the morning taking them out. Just gently take them out just so it doesn't stretch your hair any further than it is. Don't like pull them out. Literally just unravel them nice and slowly. But this is where you're going to do the most work. Okay, so stay with me. You're going to have to reshape your hair and fluff it out as much as possible. So I literally shake it in the bag so that big part isn't showing. I blend it back together. I loosen up my curls just a little bit, just so it's giving that nice flow that we had before. I'll shake it out a little bit more, and I'll even add like some bobby pins to it if I need to. What I like to do too is to take my pick and pick it out even further. But you just want to make sure that you just loosening the roots. You don't want to pick it out all the way to the tips or anything like that. Or even mess up that really cute braid pattern that you see there. Those nice waves that are literally coming from the root down to your ends. You want to keep that that flow to it. So just a little bit, just fluff it out as much as you want. I have a lot of postpartum shedding around my edges and in the nape of my hair. So I like to cover up those parts, like I said, with the bobby pins or just how my hair flows. Now, I also like to go and add my edge control, and I use Gots to Be glue and Mayo edge gel. These two together, chef's kiss. They work so well together. I'll start out with the Gots to Be glue, just a little bit. It's really hard on edges, but they make it last like so long. So that's why I do use it if I'm going out. If I'm just in the house, I'll just use my Miel Organics edge gel. But if you want it to make it last, you start with a little bit of that. Then you go behind and add that Miel Organics edge gel. It gives it that nice, shiny, slick look. Now, if I'm going out for a while, I will slick it down and then put a hair tie around my edges. But since I'm just going out for a little while, this is all I need. I don't need to put no heat on it or nothing. I like to do my sideburns too, and I like to put it behind my ear. This just gives it a well polished look in my opinion. And yeah, pretty much you do your edges and you good to go, girl. Leave a comment down below how you preserve your 4C braid out. I know before I started using this method, my braid outs would last like 2-3 days max. And my hair would just, it would just start getting dry, even with the bonnet. So I want to see what other curlies are doing out there for your hair too. Let me know. I've cut off my hair probably like 2 times since going natural since 2010. And it's funny that I'm still learning new things about natural hair and how to preserve it, how to keep it moisturized and conditioned. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys try this out. Make sure to check out my other hair tutorials and videos and stay tuned for more content